Hello everyone, as you see in our previous video, we discussed how to find the matrix by quadratic form. So here it's 2 cross 3 it's 3 cross 3 matrix. In our previous video it was about 2 cross 2 matrix. Here as a first example, our quadratic form is equal to minus x squared plus 2xy minus 2y squared plus 2xz minus 5z squared minus 10yz. So to get the quadratic form for 3 cross 3 matrix, you put here in the column, put x, y, and z. In the row, put x, y, and z. So here we have x times x is equal to x squared. To take the coefficient of x squared is equal to minus 1. To put here in the diagonal entries. Y times y is equal to y squared. Put the coefficient of 1 y squared is equal to minus 2. Here z times z is equal to z squared. The coefficient of z squared is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 here. Here we have x and here we have y and x. In x and y, you have to divide this one by 2. You get 1. Here we have y and x. The coefficient will be 1. Put 1 here. Here we have z and x. Where is z and x? Here we have 2xz. As it is a multiplication, z can be here and x can be here. So the coefficient is 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So the coefficient of x and z is equal to 1. You put 1 here. So we are going here. X and y. X and y, the coefficient is 1. You put 1 here. Y and z. Y and z, the coefficient is minus 10. Minus 10 by 2 is equal to minus 5. So here it will be minus 5. And x and z. X and z, the coefficient is 1. So here it's 1. Here it's 1. Z and y. Z and y. The coefficient is 10 by 2 is equal to minus 5. So here it will be minus 5. I think guys it's very clear. Just add when you found x and y, divide by the coefficient by 2. And when you found x and z, divide by 2. Even y and z, we did the same thing. And here we get a 3 cross 3 matrix. So guys, we're going to see for this second question. The quadratic form is equal to 2x squared plus 3y squared minus 5z squared minus 2xy plus 6xz minus 12y and z. As we see in the first example, it's the same logic. Here we have x and x. X times x is equal to x squared. The coefficient of x squared is 2. We put 2 here. Y and y. The coefficient of y squared is equal to 3. Put 3 here. The coefficient of z squared is minus 5. Put minus 5 here. So x and y. The coefficient of x and y. X and y, z is minus 2 here by 2 is equal to minus 1. So here it will be minus 1. x and z, x and z, the coefficient is 6 by 2. It will be 3. We put 3 here. Y and x, the coefficient is 2 by 2 is equal to minus 1. Y and x, we put minus 1 here. Y and z, the coefficient is minus 12. Minus 12 by 2 is equal to minus 6. Put minus 6 here. Z and x is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Put 3 here. The last one is z and y. Z and y, the coefficient is 12 by 2 is equal to minus 6. Put minus 6 here. So guys, this is how to get the matrix by a quadratic form. I think it's very clear. So in our next video, you're going to see something different. Thank you guys. It is your first time to watch a video on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Thank you guys. See you.